What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, Freestyle Cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Always appreciate you coming through, showing me love, checking me out. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos. That's right, y'all. We get it down here, man. Freestyle cooking. Come through, have fun, try them out. You know, let's do it. All right. So today, y'all, another easy recipe, man. I'm always saying the easy recipe because they are. Anybody could do it. I'm doing an open-faced grilled cheese sandwich, okay, with broccoli and shrimp. All right, and we also gonna do a beurre blanc sauce just to go right on top, y'all. You feel me? A nice French butter sauce right on top. We gonna kill this grilled cheese sandwich. You'll love it. So on the board, a few things we're gonna need for our recipe. I got me some fresh broccoli that I chopped up into florets, ready to go. I got me some sourdough bread here. You want some type of rustic bread, you know, that can hold your sandwich. Also got me some shrimp. Got me some cheese. Real easy. We about to just go ahead and get this thing started, man. Alright, so you want to get out your pan, and at the same time, you want to put a boiling water. You want to get some water boiling on your stove, okay, because we're going to blanch our broccoli, okay. So right now you get your pan out because we're going to do the shrimp first. Add about a tablespoon of olive oil, that's it. Get that around, get the pan heated. We're going to cook our shrimp, takes no time at all. And you want to get your shrimp in the pan. And like I said, it takes no time, man. It's only like a couple minutes on each side, real quick, medium high heat. Alright, you know, when the shrimp just starts to turn color, that's when you want to take it out. Yeah. Alright. There we go. Shrimp done in a bowl. Let's keep it moving. Alright. Next thing, as you can see, I done already blanched my broccoli. I took it out the boiling hot water, put it in some ice water so it can stop the cooling process, so we keep that vibrant green color of the broccoli. Okay. And that's it, y'all. You boil it for, 3 to 4 minutes. Take it out, put it in a cold water bath, and we're done. Okay, so we'll set this to the side. Well, I'm gonna let this sit in there about 3 minutes, then I'm gonna take the broccoli out, set it to the side. Next, all right, I'm gonna take the same pan I cooked my shrimp in, add about a tablespoon of oil, and we're gonna start our beurre blanc, our butter sauce. Right, and this sauce is real easy. All you need is some butter, shallots, dry white wine, vinegar, lemon juice for acidity, and that's basically it. I might use a tablespoon of cream just to hold my sauce. You know what I'm saying? That helps with the help it emulsify and keep it together. All right, but it's a real easy French sauce that you can use on seafood, chicken. A lot of people use it on seafood, but I use it on anything that's, that I want to use it on. That's how I do freestyle cook. Alright, so now I'm gonna get my shallots in the pan, and you want to have this on a low heat because all I want to do is sweat these shallots. Alright. Right, that's about one shallot that I cut up, diced up, and I just want to sweat these for about 15 minutes. I don't want to make them turn colors and all that, brown up. I just want them to get real translucent when the aroma and everything starts to release from them. All right, it's been about 13 minutes. As you can see, my shallots is definitely softened up, translucent. That's what I'm talking about. So next, I'm gonna add about a half cup of white wine. And I'm also going to add some fresh lemon juice from a lemon. Alright, bring the heat up a little. So we're going to reduce this till it's almost gone. Alright, also I'm gonna add just a tablespoon of cream. Okay. Sometimes I add cream, sometimes I don't, but this will just help hold it together. Alright. Get that incorporated in. Okay, and I just want to reduce this till it's nothing. Then we're going to start adding some cold butter. Actually, some chilled butter. I had the butter out of the fridge, chopped it up in little squares of butter to toss in, because you're going to toss the butter in a couple at a time to slowly bring it together. Okay. So I cut the butter up, got it in a bowl so it's chill in the refrigerator. But cold butter is what we're going to need next. All right. Also, you might want to go ahead and set your oven to 425, because as soon as our sauce is done, we'll get our bread toasted, cheese on it, and we'll be at the finish line, y'all. Let's do it. Alright. Add some more. And you just want to keep doing this, adding the butter, low heat. Real low heat, y'all, until the sauce starts to come together. Oh yeah, y'all, it's coming together. As you can see, some more butter. And trust me, you'll find yourself making this sauce all of the time. Such a great sauce. Like I said, great on fish, good with vegetables. So our sandwich is going to be amazing. Here we go. I put my last little bit of butter in, and our sauce is basically done. Now, with the way the sauce is now, as you can see, with the shallots in there, you can serve the sauce with the shallots in it, just like that, over top of whatever. But what we gonna do is, I'm gonna run it through a mesh strainer to get like a real nice smooth sauce. Alright? But you could definitely serve it just like this. And if you're not serving it right away, I would suggest to, like, because you don't want your sauce to break, because you really want to like serve this immediate or right after you're done. We're like ready to serve. But since we still gotta get our bread toasted, our cheese, our sandwich built up, I'm gonna just have it on a real low after I strain it, and it should keep it together till our sandwich is ready. Oh yeah, there we go. That's it, man. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Beurre Blanc, French butter sauce, real easy. All right. So I got out my strainer, and we're going to put it right on through. Put it in there. Alright. Put that in there so we can just get just the smoothness of the sauce. Leave behind the shallots. Alright, and then I just want to go ahead and push this through like so. Oh man, I hate leaving them shallots behind, man. But the sauce is going to be lovely. As you can see, look at that. Ooh, nice and silky. Alright, I think I got enough pushed through. Alright. Oh yeah. Look at that, y'all. Oh, look at that. Smooth, silky Beurre Blanc. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna keep this on warm. I mean real low heat so it don't break, okay? right, you want to go ahead and take your whisk. I got it off on the side, y'all can't see, but you just want to take your whisk and stir it up from time to time while you're keeping it warm. Okay, next step, you should already have your oven preheated, ready to go. We're gonna put our bread in there and toast this for about 6 minutes. All right, and I also got me some Gruyere and cheddar. This is like a mixture that I bought. It's like cheddar and Gruyere together. All right, you can kind of use any kind of cheese you want on your grilled cheese, but I'm using the Gruyere, y'all. This is gonna be the cheddar, the mixture. You feel me? All right, just got to cut up into little pieces. All right, got my bread up out the oven after I toasted it for about 6 minutes. Now I want to go ahead and layer my cheese on there like so. Put your cheese on there. All right. All little pieces. Cool. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the oven and let this cheese melt up a little bit before we add our broccoli and shrimp. All right, there we go. As you can see, I let it melt a little bit. Now let's add our broccoli and shrimp. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and roast this in the oven a little bit more until my cheese is a little bit more melted, and we'll be ready to get this on a plate, y'all. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, there we go. Got our sandwiches up out the oven. Got me a nice light little char on the broccoli. You know, the cheese is melted nice and perfect. It's ready to go, man. Now it's just ready for our sauce. Let's get it on the plate. Boom. There we go, y'all. Got it on the plate. Let's get the sauce ready. Oh yeah, it didn't break on me. Oh yeah. Nice. Get a little bit of that sauce. Oh yeah. Get a little bit down there. Ooh. And now, what I'm also going to do is, I do have a finishing salt, right? So I use this Hawaiian red salt. It's a finishing salt. So, because normally I would add like some salt and pepper to my beurre blanc or some type of seasoning, but since I'm going to finish it off with the finishing salt, the Hawaiian red salt. Oh yeah. There we go. We're done. You feel me? We got our open face grilled cheese shrimp and broccoli sandwich topped with some beurre blanc. You feel me? So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell, man, so you can stay up to date with my latest videos. Yo, try this recipe, man. Hit me in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all want me to try something. And I just gotta go on this, man. It's just super crazy. Holla.